Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First, here's how to turn on grayscale printing on a Mac. Then, I will show examples of printing different documents on Mac computers. So, let's watch the video till the end. Many printers used with Mac support printing in black and white or grayscale. Black and white printing reduces the color of an image or document. To enable grayscale, follow the steps performed on the screen. First, go to the Finder app and right-click on the image. Then open the image with a preview app to print in black and white. You can see the image is open in the preview app. Next, click on the File option from the top left side horizontal menu bar and select Print in the drop-down. Or you can press the keyboard shortcut Command+P to do the same. In the Copies section, please turn off the Print in Color toggle. You can see the image preview in black and white when I have turned off the Print in Color toggle. Then, if your printer is connected to your Mac computer, click the Print button to print a black and white image. That's it. Now, let's see 3 different examples for printing documents on a Mac in grayscale. First, I will show how to print in black and white on Mac using Word. Open the document in Word and click on the printer icon from the top of the screen, or you can click on the File menu and select Print in the drop-down. Now, tick the black and white checkbox under the Copies section. You can see the black and white preview of your Word document. Then, at last, click the Print button to print the document. That's it. Next, I will show you the second example, how to print in black and white on Mac PDF. First, you have to open the PDF file from the Finder app, and click on the File menu from the top horizontal menu bar. Towards the bottom of the menu, select Print or press the keyboard shortcut Command+P. Turn off the Print in Color toggle to print the PDF in black and white. You can see the document preview in black and white when I have turned off the Print in Color toggle. If you want to print your document, click the Print button. That's it. At last, I will show the third example of print Google Docs in black and white. First, open the Google document you want to print on your Mac computer. Before that, and make sure, if you're using Firefox or Safari, when you click File from the toolbar within Google Docs and select Print in the drop-down, the file will download to your computer as a PDF, which you can then print in the same way as we have discussed in the second example. Here, my Google document is open in the Safari app. So, when I click the File menu from the top left screen and select Print, the Google document will be converted to PDF and stored in Safari's Downloads section. Now, open the PDF file and click on the File menu from the top left side, then select Print in the drop-down. Check the color options. Turn off the Print in Color toggle to print the PDF in black and white. If you want to print your document, click the Print button. That's it. For Chrome browser, open your Google document in Chrome. Then, click the File menu from the top left screen or the Document menu bar and select Print in the drop-down. Then, check the color options. If it is selected as color, click on the Color drop-down menu and select the black and white option. Next, click the Print button to get the grayscale print of your document. That's it. So, you can print your Google Docs in grayscale by following the above steps. I hope you find this video helpful, and please see the links below in the description to get more about the preset job and custom preset printing option. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to catch up and see more tips and tricks videos.